Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Bumble location. Change your location on Bumble can help you connect with potential matches in different areas. Here is how you can do it. First, open Bumble. Launch the Bumble application on a device. Then, go to your profile, which is at the left corner of your screen. Now, tap the gear icon in upper left corner to access settings. After that, scroll down until you find Location Settings or Location. Here, click on Travel option. Then, enter the new location you want to use. If you have the Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium subscription, you will see an option to change the location manually. Confirm your changes and exit the settings. These steps are similar but ensure you are in correct mode, BFF or BIZZ, when changing your location. Other things is that Bumble typically uses your device GPS for location. Free users may not have the option to manually change their location without traveling to a new area. You can also adjust the distance settings to include profiles within specific range of a selected location. Using the feature, you can connect with matches in different cities or area. So that is how you can change location on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.